Hello beginners, artists and watercolor lovers. Today I'm going to show how to paint a waterfall using loose watercolor techniques. Sorry about my English, it's not my native. You watch the final result. First piece I'm using Saunders papers and it's 190 grams and Daniel Smith watercolor sticks. I usually paint with M.Graham paints, but today I decided to try the sticks instead. I'll also be using some special brushes. If you're interested in how to make a brush like this, can record a tutorial. So the first I wet the paper on the both sides to make the area moist. When I apply the wash beautiful in the drum blue, a pure unmixed color. And soon as paper stopping shining, it's the next step. It's background, beautiful and then tone. I like this color. And I started mix green. As soon as the paper stops shining, I start mixing green, and in my case it's ultramarine and then tren and aureline. I also add lunar black for granulation. It gives the painting a soft, fluffy texture. It's a third studies. The third layer final is applied and the paper is almost dry. And now they have waterfall. Just a moment, please. It's the trees, maybe grass, if you want. Write what I see. It's a trees or grass. I add the little trees or grass on the center, on the top center. I mix more green using aureline in tren and lunar black. Free color. Its final results. Thank you so like this watching. Subscribe the channel and so you don't miss future tutorials.